It's Saturday. Question of the day before we get into this. What bad food have you convinced yourself is healthy and that you eat guilt-free? I tend to do this with like food groups. So if like I know I need a carb, I'll just be like, well, I need a carb. That's more healthy than not eating a carb right now. And then I would just go smash like a full thing of Ritz crackers, or I'll go to like Hawaiian Bros and eat a disgusting amount of their rice covered in teriyaki sauce. So I tend to think of it that way, not like a specific food group, but like I'll justify food groups depending on what I need and what's available. Super healthy. Cool. Also, EMS, like there's like a break snack food at the hospital, and so a lot of the times they're like granola bars and like other things, but like a chocolate chip granola bar is not healthy by any means, but like if it's 3 a.m. and you need some sugar, like healthy to me. Cool. All right, let's talk Zoom workout, and then we'll talk the fully equipped workout. Zoom is gonna happen at noon. Even if you wanted to do the fully equipped workout, but with the class, it will flow pretty nicely. Very similar format in the scheme of things, and the warm-up stuff's the same. For the warm-up, you're gonna alternate Tabata style between jump ropes or penguin taps and a hollow body hold, so just a hollow squeeze. We did a lot of jump ropes yesterday, so this is just to get the calves kind of woken up, warmed up, don't get too carried away, just to move some blood through the calves. When you get done with that, we're gonna go for a PNF hamstring stretch, bent knee, straight knee, whatever you guys wanna do. That's gonna change the site of the stretch. It's gonna move it around a little bit, so play around, see what you need or what feels better to you. You're gonna go through 7 rounds of 7 seconds stretch, 7 seconds contract, back and forth, and then you'll switch sides. If you're with somebody, do it as a partner. It's more fun that way. At least I think it is. Movement practice. 3 sets of 5 straddle circles. So this is gonna be that piked thing. You're gonna raise your legs up and then make some circles. Go both directions if you want to. Then when you get done with that, you got 5 on each side of a single leg glute bridge. Cool. That should get things pretty woken up. You should get kind of sweaty, especially if you're inside, there's no airflow. And that's gonna take us to the WOD. For this, we're gonna do a you go, I go for the entire round. 12 rounds. 12 burpees to a doorway, so you're just gonna reach up, touch the top of the doorway. 12 alternating single leg and single arm V-ups, so that's gonna be contralateral as you go. And then 6 per side of a Bulgarian split squat jump. What? Cool, don't fall, please don't hurt yourself. Those are fun though, it's nice and explosive, and I enjoy that movement. If you're flying solo, you're just gonna do 6 rounds for time. Same format, 12 burpees, 12 alternating single leg V-ups, the Bulgarian split squat jumps, and then you're just gonna rest a minute between rounds, and that should emulate things pretty well, okay? For the fully equipped rundown, you're gonna go 8 rounds. The rounds are going to be quite a bit longer, but 40 cal bike, 30 sit-ups or 30 GHD sit-ups if you've got it, and then 25 feet of a front rack walking lunge. Total, you're gonna do 4 rounds each. Awesome. And then if you're flying solo, just do 4 rounds and rest 1 to 1. If you have a barbell, I'd go pretty decently heavy with this. 185, 135 is how it's written. That is a doozy. Make sure that you can survive the 25 feet. You shouldn't pick a weight that you need to do like 10 feet and then you have to pick it back up and then you do like another 10 feet and you're like, oh, I'm 5 feet away, which is really far away from me. But anyhow, scale so you can knock that out in 1 set, but still make it a challenge. For the accessory stuff afterwards, you've got some banded leg curls, so just rocking the hamstring. If you don't have a band or you don't want to do that, I would go for some FRC hamstring curls. 100's a lot. I'd cut that way down, just put some intent into it. That's gonna be Saturday.